Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Torpedo here, 18B. Gonna throw a new roller in that. How's that look? New platen roller, yes. Pretty easy on this machine, but let's do it. Let's just start over on this side. And let's see, just a basic screwdriver. I'm gonna undo this set screw thingamajigger here. It's like a set screw with a big stud on it. And then the next one, okay, we want that off. There's another one on the platen itself. Same exact set screw. I can get it out of here. Same exact set screw. So now we just pull this out on the left side shaft all the way out, just like that. And that's it. She should come right out of there. Rock this side out. And finesse it out of there. There we go. This one's got some grooves and divots in it and stuff, so I'm going to replace that. Let's clean that back feed roller while I got it out. Got access to it. Get some cleaner agent on my rag. And we're just going to clean the roller up. Like I said, well, I got total access to this. Nice. Feed rollers look great. Clean the front one after I put the roller back in there. The front one you got pretty good access to. So I'm also going to wipe these card guides down so I can get to the back. Like that. Make sure these are clean. Good. Okay. So reverse procedure here is just move that all the way to the edge, wipe off the new platen a little bit, and just pop her back down there. Maybe release the detent rollers, this lever. Get that out of the way. So this should fit in here, just like that. And we'll put the shaft back in. Carriage to the middle here somewhere. Get this lined up over here. Quite finding a spot yet. Let's give it a little guidance here. There we go. And all you do now is line up the hole here in the platen with the hole on the shaft. Should show up there somewhere. Right there it is. And take our little set screw and replace set screw. Why it doesn't want to tighten down, I don't know. Turn that around 180. Try it again. do the other one that way. I can find my set screw over there. Just like that. Put the detent back in place. Check the variable, all good. Check the feed, it's going to be perfect. All good. Clean that roller up there real quick. All good. Come over here, clean that roller up, and we're going to call this good. These things really like the new rubber. It really helps when you have a quality machine like this and you have fresh rubber in here. You just cannot beat it. Looking pretty good. Looked like the E was low. Let's check this. Looks all right. All right. Phoenix Typewriter. Everybody, have a good day.